Hey everybody, Kelly Ham, the Dancing Broker. So what does it mean to sell your home in as-is condition? Selling your home as is in Washington State might sound like the ultimate easy button for sellers. It can be more of a proceed with caution button. Sure, you don't have to fix that leaky faucet or patch the hole that your dog made in the drywall, but it also sends a loud and clear message to buyers. There's probably something wrong here. Good luck finding it. The first downside, you'll likely attract bargain hunters and investors sniffing around for a deal like sharks circling a boat. These buyers specialize in as-is homes and love to throw out lowball offers faster than you can say market value. If you're hoping to cash in big, selling as is might leave your wallet feeling a little light. Then there's the financing issue. Lenders can be picky about the condition of a property, and homes with major problems can be a big no-no for certain loans like FHA or VA. So, unless your buyer has a suitcase full of cash or a lender with a very high tolerance for risk, you might struggle to get your deal across the finish line. And don't think you're off the hook for disclosures. Unless you're exempt, you still have to fill out the seller disclosure statement, aka Form 17, which means being honest about those quirks you were hoping no one would notice. If you're not, you could end up with a lawsuit instead of a sold sign. So, while selling as is might feel like dodging a bullet, it could end up being more like shooting yourself in the foot. Proceed carefully, preferably with a good sense of humor and a realistic price tag. Thanks so much for watching.